Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi, it's Scott with RVFix. Today we're going to go over maintenance on your Schwintek slide room. Schwintek system has been a little bit of some misconceptions on lubing or not lubing when it comes to the Schwintek. You can tell a Schwintek system, it'll have gear rack on the bottom, a gear rack on the top. These are considered an in-wall. Your motors are at the top with a drive shaft going down into two gears, and that drives a slide room. Lippert now does not want lubrication on these slides. So really the only thing we're gonna do for maintenance on these is we're gonna make sure that our gear racks are clean, and you can use a brush to simply just go along and clean. You can use a little soap and water you want, but do not want to get any kind of lubrication in there. You don't want anything in there that's going to gum that up. No grease, even WD-40. They don't want anything in there. And you can, like I say, take a rag. You got a little V-track down here at the bottom that a wheel rolls in. You want to make sure you get that good and clean. While you're doing that, you're inspecting. You want to make sure that all our gears, cogs are all clean and not showing any kind of wear. That's the biggest thing on a Schwintek. Do not grease them. You're also going to want to check your seals around your flanges. That's just using a 100% silicone. Make sure we don't have any voids across there. You'll want to get up on top, check along that roof seam. Also making sure we're sealed along our racks here. This is just using a foam seal. So you can see the foam seal in here, and that's all holding up well. Also make sure you're checking your screws, everything tight, nothing coming out. And that is basic maintenance on a Schwintek slide. Biggest thing, keep in mind, do not lubricate your racks or rollers. Quick tip on the Schwinteks, make sure when you're operating those that when you bring them in or out, you want to make sure you keep your button pressed for at least 5 seconds after the room comes in and shuts off the motors. We'll do that, like say, extend and retract. That just keeps the motors in time. If your slide room starts to walk, it's usually because of a timing issue. Give us a call at RVFix. We can walk you through how to resync that.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.